Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your carrier voicemail is active and you have a mobile signal. Open Oneplus phone, tap the voicemail tab, or dial one to connect. If prompted, enter your carrier PIN. This secures access and links greetings. Once done, press the setup prompts to record a name and greeting. This personalizes how callers hear you. Make sure to keep your PIN handy for future changes so you won't get locked out unexpectedly. Next, enable visual voicemail so messages appear as a list rather than a call. In phone settings, toggle visual voicemail and grant permissions for voicemail and storage. This lets the app download message audio and show transcripts when available. Record or upload your greeting and pick notification sounds and vibration. This controls how you're alerted. Once configured, new messages will show with caller info and length. Tap any entry to play, save, or delete. This setup speeds message triage and retrieval. To finish, review how you'll manage messages. Play, save, delete, or share voicemails. Use transcription for quick scanning. Make sure you clear old messages to free space and adjust notification priorities so important calls aren't missed. If voicemail won't load or play, first restart your Oneplus and toggle mobile data or Wi-Fi. Next, check visual voicemail permissions. If problems persist, contact your carrier to verify provisioning or reset your voicemail PIN. As a last resort,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.